Hey everybody, this is Jason from Alphatone Audio, and today I'm going to talk to you about a little problem I had with the pedal board installation and how I found a really good solution for it. So on this particular build, this is an early pedal train. It's 16 by 32 and has the smaller sizes in the back that doesn't give you quite as much clearance, but it shouldn't be a problem because these power supplies fit well. Now normally when you mount these up, this is at least this particular brand. It's not that big of a deal. You can just get the power supply brackets from the manufacturer. They screw into the power supply and drop it in there, drill 4 holes, put some screws in, and you're done. And it's securely mounted and it's not going to go anywhere. Now in this particular build, I have to mount 2 of these, which again wouldn't be a problem. 2 power supplies, 2 sets of brackets, one on this side, one on the other, and I'm good to go. However, one more complication on this is I also have to install this custom I/O bracket, which is going to take up one entire half of the pedal board, which means I can't put a power supply on one side. Problem is worse because I cannot mount 2 of these side by side because there's just simply not enough room on this opening back here for these to fit. So at least we have the problem. Now I can take these power supplies, I could try to mount them farther back, and then I have the entire width of the pedal board to do it. The problem with that is they're too high and it prevents the front feet from touching the ground. And I certainly don't want the entire pedal board resting on the power supply. So what to do in this situation? I found a great solution from the people at BTPA.com who make all kinds of great things. They make a Pedaltrain lift kit where they essentially sell a set of aftermarket replacement feet. This is one of the standard feet that I took off, and this is one of the new feet, which adds a ½ inch of height to the pedal train off the ground, which means with that extra ½ inch, I could take these power supplies, and instead of mounting them all the way in the back, I actually have enough clearance now where I could take these all the way back one row, and I could put these anywhere I want along the entire length of the pedal board and I have plenty of clearance. I don't have to worry about this hitting the ground. The kit is really straightforward. It comes with everything you need except for 2 drill bits. You just take 1 drill bit and you drill out the original feet, which are riveted on, so you have to drill that rivet out. Then you take another drill bit, drill it into the same hole, where you're going to put a little threaded insert, which allows you to take the bolt and bolt the new feet down into the pedal train. And once you do that, it's not moving. These are really super solid feet. Wouldn't have to worry about those falling off or anything like that. They also come with 1 set of power supply brackets, which I haven't mounted these on yet, but it looks like they would just screw on just normally, just like the Voodoo Lab. It looks like I wouldn't have any problem with these. The only thing is when you buy the kit, which they make 2 different versions, one for 4 feet and one for 6 feet, you get 1 set of power supply brackets. If you need a second one, which I do, they don't have it on the website, but if you give them a call or send them an email, they will create a web order for you and they will send you another set of them. They just don't have them in the store yet. I just happened to talk to them yesterday on a Saturday of all things, and he said it was no problem. They're working to get them up on the web store. It should be soon. Just if this is something to see and you want to get done right away, just feel free to give them a call, send them an email through their form on the website. They're super helpful people. They always get back to you really quickly. I always have a really good time dealing with them. So if you happen to need to, just give them a call. I think this is something that if you think you need, then I think you should definitely give it a try, as it looks like it's a really good solution. And not only does this open you up to mounting additional power supplies on the bottom of your pedal board, but if you're wanting to get like a patch bay or any of those other kind of side brackets that they also sell at BTPA, and you just need like a little bit extra clearance, this is going to give you that clearance. So hope this is informative for you. If this is a solution you need, I would highly recommend you checking it out. That's all I have for this one, and I'll see you next time.